This is Suzanne, and today I'm going to show you how to make the granny square. So to get started, I'm going to grab my 6mm hook, and we're going to make a 6-inch granny square. So we're going to start with a slip stitch on a hook, slip knot, and we're going to chain up 4 to make a magic round. There we go. And we're going to chain up 3, followed by 2 more double crochets. Okay. Then we're going to do a chain 2, 3 more double crochets. Chain 2, 3 more double crochets, chain 2, okay, and our last corner. Okay, chain 2, and then slip stitch into the top of your first chain 3, and this is what it looks like. So you have 4 chain 2 corners and 4 double crochet spaces. Now flip it over, and we're going to work in the chain 2 corners. And in between each corner, we're going to put a chain 1. Okay, so we're going to grab our next color of yarn, into that chain 2 corner, anyone, it doesn't matter which one, chain 3, back into that chain 2 space, we're going to put 2 more double crochets, chain 2, and back into the same space, 3 more double crochets. And this is your first corner of row 2. All this is in one space. Chain 1. Next corner, you're going to put 3 double crochets, chain 2, and 3 more double crochets. So this is first 2 corners. Chain 1, next corner, 3 double crochets, chain 2, 3 double crochets. Chain 1, okay, into our last corner, three double crochets, chain 2, 3 double crochets. Chain 1 to get to the other side, find your first double crochet, slip stitch into the top of that, and you're all finished with row 2. Now fasten off. You can either stop now and weave in your ends, or wait till you finish your square, whichever works better for you. Okay, there you go. got your second row. Now flip your work. See how pretty that square is looking? Okay, grab your next color. Okay, find your chain 2 spaces, chain up 3, go back into the chain 2 space with 2 more double crochets, your chain 2, 3 more double crochets. Okay, your chain 1, into your middle space you're going to have your 3 double crochets, chain 1, into your corner you're going to do your 3 double crochets, chain 2 and 3 double crochets. We're halfway there. Your chain 1 will get you to your next space. Three double crochets. Chain 1 into your corner space, 3 double crochets, chain 2, 3 double crochets. And we're heading over to our last corner. So over to the middle, 3 double crochets, chain 1 and 3 more double crochets, 2 chains and 3 more double crochets. Okay, now don't forget the next stitch is chain 1, 3 double crochets, chain 1, and you're back to your corner. And this is what it's looking like. Now we're going to fasten off. Okay, flip your work to the other side. Grab your next color of yarn. We're going to finish this square. Attach your yarn in a chain 2 corner, any one will do, and chain up 3. Okay, back into that corner, 2 more double crochets, chain 2, 3 double crochets, chain 1, into your next space you're going to put 3 double crochets, And this is the pattern all the way around. Okay. Okay. Fasten off our square. Turn your work over. And this is a 6-inch square if you used a size J hook. If you enjoyed this video, give me a like and subscribe if you'd like to see more videos from me. Thank you for watching and have a great day.